guys, if you are getting the message GCash is not supported on Android 4.4, this video will explain why this happens and what you can do about it. Go to Settings, next go to Software Update, check if you can update your phone to newer version. After you update, please check if you can open your GCash app now. If not, follow these other steps. Now go to Play Store. Check for GCash if it has an update. If not fixed, please go to the Cash App info to force close the GCash app. Press GCash and go to Info. Now go to GCash again. Clear cache and clear data. Now open your GCash. And if all the steps not work, please report to GCash support for more info.